In front of me is EMPORIA Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now choose new entry at the top left corner and select event. Following that, you need to click over here on from and set up a date. I will go with this one. Then choose save at the top left corner. Now you can adjust your event however you wish to. For example, add a title, take notes, pick starting hour, choose save at the top right corner and ending one. Now you can set up a reminder, minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 1 week. Click on done at the top left corner and select repetition. If you want your event to repeat, you can do that by clicking on this icon next to repetition and selecting one of those options like daily, then choosing done. I don't want those, I will disable it and click on done then. Now to save your event, choose save at the top left corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on it over here, make your changes and tap on save again. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to hold it. Sorry, you need to click on it maybe. And then select delete at the bottom over here. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!